Hi everyone, welcome to week 24 of Monday Motif series with Yarn Wonders. Today we are going to see a tulip motif. For this, first we are going to make 13 chain. Now we are done with 13 chain stitches. So now you shall consider this as your starting point. So the 13th stitch will be your turning stitch. So now we are making one single crochet into the 12th one. Now you shall make one more half double crochet into the next stitch. Now you shall make 7 double crochets into the next 7 stitches. So we are done with one. Now we'll be making the second double crochet, third one, fourth, we are done with 7 double crochets now. Now you shall make one half double and one single crochet. So with this we have done till here. Now I'll be making one slip stitch to the last stitch. And now here again we can make the same stitches. So while doing this, I'm also hiding the tail end with this. So again I'm doing 1/2 double crochet and 1 single crochet. So with this, the row 1 is completed. So now we are going to make row 2. So to be more evident, I'll be choosing one more color here. So directly we shall start doing this. So while doing this, if we do this in the back loop alone, that will be even more aesthetic. So I am going to prefer doing this in the back loop. So now this is the center part. From here we'll be starting one side of the tulip. So while doing this, I'm going to hide both the tail end. So we did 2 single crochets. Now we should make 1/2 double and 1 increasing 1/2 double into the next loop. Now 4 1/2 double crochets. Now one side is almost done. So to make this elevated part, you should make 4 chain stitches. So one is used as a turning chain. So make 1 slip stitch, 1 single crochet, 1/2 double crochet and connect it using a slip stitch here. If this seems so evident because of different color, so I am going to make a slip stitch here itself. So now you can see one side is done. Now, without cutting this side, I'm trying to make the opposite side. So here I have made few chain stitches. So around 5 I did it. And here we are going to connect it to the parallel rows. So in that case, now we should start from here. So now here you shall make 4 chain stitches. Similarly, 1 slip stitch, 1 single crochet, and 1 half double crochet. Now you shall join this using a slip stitch here. So once this is done, you shall start making half double crochets. One increase half double crochet is done. So now again 1 normal half double and single crochet. So we are done till the end now. So the technique we used here will be used when you don't want to cut the yarn and you just want to continue as it is. Now you can just cut off the excess yarn. So now you can cut this and make a knot here. Now using your crochet needle, you can just hide this in the back side. So you can hide this in 2 to 3 places. So once it is not visible, you can just stop and cut off the excess. You can also do this in the yellow part, in the center line. It will be even more easier. I'm just hiding it with the same color. So this is the technique. You can do this even more times if you want. So that's it. This is how your tulip flower will look like. Hope you all like this. Thank you for watching.